5 cute planters ideas for your small garden. 1. Hanging vertical garden. A shoe organizer makes a great vertical garden. It is perfect for saving space and also keeps your plants from enemies on the ground such as kids and dogs. You just need to plant away your favorite greenery in the shoe spaces filled with potting soil or compost. Remember to hang the planter in a place with enough sunlight and water the plants regularly. To add the beauty of your vertical garden, you can paint the wall with colorful paints or cover the wall with bamboo or wooden things to improve the visual aesthetic. 2. Garden on the go. Get casters from your local hardware stores and add them to the bottom of your favorite planters. You can easily move these rolling planters for redecorating or when it is raining outside. This idea is super convenient and practical, especially if you frequently move house. 3. Tree stump planters. Many people think of tree stumps as a big hindrance when it comes to decorating their gardens. Uprooting them is quite challenging and costs some money. But you can solve this problem on your own by turning them into a uniquely natural planter. You only need to make a hole inside the stump big enough to place any kind of flowers or herbs you want. And there is another cute planter ideas for your small garden if you want to cut the hassle of hollowing out the stump. Simply put potted plants on top of your stump and now it becomes a natural planter stand. 4. Empty packaging containers. Instead of tossing out those empty cans and bottles, fill them with a potted plant or succulents. Brighten up your small garden by using a variety of colors, shapes and patterns. If you want to up your creativity level, you can choose to create your own planters with beautiful designs on them. Paint anything you like or glue some colorful fabrics to make a unique planter. Make sure to drill some drainage holes to prevent rusting the planters. 5. Herb garden and eggshell planters. This eco-friendly eggshell planter may be the simplest cute planter ideas for your small garden. All you need to prepare are eggshells, egg carton, potting soil and seeds. Cut off the cap of egg carton with scissors and place an eggshell in each space. Fill the shells with soil and make a small hole to plant the seeds. Water them and keep the planter in a sunny place. So from many cute planter ideas for your small garden above, which one you would implement first?